Hello again. Thought I'd show you my little puzzle boxes. Something I've recently become interested in. I was in two minds whether to show you these or not, because it's a bit like giving away the secrets to a magic trick, isn't it? And then there's the security to think of, but then I thought any burglars who break in are just going to smash them to pieces, so it might be better if they know how to do it. So here we go. It's the first one, the smallest, the simplest, and the most infuriating. You can see there is absolutely no way into it. I think if you press some of these, whether it slides, no. When you eventually find out, you're just going to say, oh, for goodness sake, and laugh, because it's just so simple. There. So, what have we got in it? Put it down that way. Close it up. Here we have a brand new 50p piece, a King Charles III one. Nothing much unusual about that. It's the first one I've had, but I can't see a date on it. Unless I need a magnifying glass. Is that a date there? Who knows? It could be. I'm going to have to get a magnifying glass and have a look at those feathers down. Anyway, it's the first one I've had, so it's always nice to keep it. Second little box, this is a bit trickier, more moves to it, but it's still quite simple. You can tell as soon as you pick up, that moves. Slide it a small way, flip that bit open, slide it back, that bit comes out, and then you could take the whole thing out. There's nothing in here except the instructions. I thought it'd be ironic to leave the instructions in there, so we just put it back together. Which is trickier than taking it apart. It needs to be sat down, really, sat on the table for me to do it. Because I've got to go up, that got to go down, that goes down, and slides back, and that goes down. There. And also, the sides on it, so you can pop me 50p in there without going through the rigmarole of opening it. This one, I had this one for a while. This is the first one I've got. Obviously, you can hear stuff in it. Slide that forward. The centre one comes out and reveals a keyhole. Slide that. So it's like that. Further. It's tricky, you need small fingers to get in there. Pull that out. There's the key. Open it up. And in there, a couple of silver dollars. These are Morgan ones. And some Edwardian and Victorian silver threepenny bits. The start of my silver stack. A bit late to the party with that, but better late than never. To make sure it goes in the right way. Sorry, I'm looking at it, not at it through the camera, so I'm not always getting it on the screen. Poor camera skills. Never mind. Hope you've enjoyed them anyway, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I seem to be losing subscribers with every new video. Can't please all the people all the time. Thanks, bye.